In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up UTMs so that you can see your ads clearly and make a decision based on the data, not by your intuitions, right? So, my name is Divyang and I am running Facebook ads from 2020 and able to generate around 35 million in revenue for my clients, right? So, if you like this video, please hit the like button and I hope it will help you. And if you want to work with me, I will drop the link in description so you can book a call with me. All right. So let's start the videos. As you know, after iOS 14, it got really difficult to track your purchase and conversions in Facebook ads, right? But right now, you there are multiple softwares that you can use, third-party applications that can be used to track track your results, right? But you can use some free tools also, that is Google Analytics. But to get the data in Google Analytics and or in the Shopify, right, as you can see, when you get some purchase in the Shopify, if you go to the order and check out the conversion window, they will tell you from which ad you are getting, right? Or you can use the Google Analytics. But to get those data, you need to set up UTMs. UTMs are just short codes, right, in the URL that allow Facebook and other platform to track the conversion, right? So I'm going to jump into my demo account and I will show you how it is done. So right now you are in my demo account and you don't need anything else to set up you don't need any previous setting to set up the UTMs. You need to just go down in your ad section where you set up your ads and all that stuff, right? And here is the thing that you can set up the URL parameters, right? I would recommend everybody who is running Facebook ads and uh, working on the conversion side, like on the e-commerce and all that stuff, they must set up the URL parameters. Let's build these parameters. First one is campaign source. To identify the source of your traffic, example Facebook, Instagram, a search engine, or another source, you can use this. So generally it is recommended to go with the site source name. With this, once you get any conversion, you will get to know whether it is coming from Facebook or Instagram. I've seen on YouTube like people recommending to add uh, Facebook ads over here, right? So they want to see whether their ads are getting conversion from the organic part or from Facebook ad part. But I would recommend you to go with this site source name so that you get to know where are you getting your conversion from, whether it's from Facebook or Instagram. So if you put any pre your value, then you will get the campaign source from that only in the Google Analytics, right? Campaign medium, it has to be ad set name, because when we do campaign structuring, we always try to put the medium in the ad set level. So whatever your ad set name is, it will come up over here. If it's a open USA female 40 to 65 or 18 to 30, 18 to 50, whatever your age range, that will come up over here, right? So always try to name your ad set with all the audiences that you have used for the ad set. So mention your uh, audience detail things in your ad set name, so you get these values. Campaign name must be from campaign, whether it's a sale campaign or it's a retargeting or a lookalike or any XYZ, any campaign that you are running, you will get the campaign name over here. And what is the campaign content? I would recommend you to write ad name, that is your ad name that you have mentioned, like whether it's a video, whether it's an image, any ad copy, you will get to know, right? Now I'm going to tell you what is then advanced UTM parameters are. Here you will type placement. From this UTM parameter, you will get to know from where you are getting conversion, whether it's a Facebook story, whether it's a Instagram story, it's Instagram reel, right? You will get the exact placement name also here, right? For example, if you're getting leads, if you're getting conversions from reel, then you will try to optimize your content and create more and more content on the reel platform, right? If you are getting results from your story section, then you will try to create more and more story, right, and make similar content, right? So placement will tell you all these things. Adding this url parameter will help you identify that thing. So you, when you're running Facebook ads, you need to be, you don't need to put your intuitions here. You want to be as data driven as possible. These, once you start getting these data, you will, you can easily see what kind of strategy you need in future, right? Always remember, big companies try to collect as much detail as possible from uh, of their customers, right, and how they are coming to their shop. So always try to collect all this data. This will help you in being data driven, and don't put your intuitions in your campaign. So rely on data as much as possible. I hope this video makes sense to you. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. Thank you for watching.